So Ride Expeditions offers a variety of tours out here in the Western Cape of South Africa. And one of our really unique tours that's slightly different to what we do out here is the garden route tour. So if you need something that's a little bit more relaxed and you want to bring your wife with and you want a pillion on the back of the bike, this is the one that you should look at. So this garden route tour I'm talking about is the only tour that actually starts in Cape Town and ends in Cape Town again. So after we've visited the Cape of Good Hope, we make our way a little bit inland to a short little safari just to get you into the spirit of Africa. And then from that point onwards, we head out much higher up into the Eastern Cape, where we go to a proper safari where you most definitely will see big herds of elephants at the Addo Elephant National Park. And when we're done with this Addo safari of ours, we head all the way back to Cape Town, and we are most definitely going to pop through some more beautiful mountain passes and obviously some more coastal roads. It's going to be really comfortable riding. And when we finished at this point where the two oceans meet at Cape Agulhas, we make our way back to Cape Town and of course on another couple of really beautiful coastal roads. So if this is the type of tour that you're interested in, please contact us at rideexpeditions.com.